Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with battle.net launcher. As soon as you launch the launcher, it just stuck at starting battle.net and then nothing happened. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on your battle.net launcher and choose the option open file location. Here you will find two launcher, battle.net launcher and battle.net. What you need to do is to right click on this particular launcher, which is battle.net, and choose the option run as administrator. Hopefully this will launch the launcher for you to fix out the issue of battle.net launcher stuck at the static screen. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. Go ahead and simply launch it. As soon as you launch it, click on this gear icon and choose the option continue without login. This will open the interface to you. Just go ahead, click on the games option, select the install game, go ahead, click on it, either update or play the game. Once the game is updated, go ahead and click on the option play. As soon as you hit the play option, it will ask you to log in using your ID and password. So at this point of time, go ahead and you need to log in battle.net using your user ID and password. After login, what you need to do is to close the launcher. If it is available in the system tray also, you need to right click and choose the option exit. After closing the battle.net from a system tray, again launch this particular launcher again and login, and this will completely fix out the issue of battle.net launcher stuck at the static screen. However, if both the method fails, thirdly what you can do is to again click on this gear icon. From here, whatever the region you have selected, simply choose another region. If it is Americas, choose Europe or Asia. Once chosen, this time again enter the password and hit the login. Now you can see once you are logged in, you will be able to launch any game, play any game without any kind of issue. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.